We have a pearl holder in TiaraCAD which will help you generate a plain, grooved or a twisted rod pearl holder. A plain pearl holder, depending on the pearl size that you specify, you can choose the cup diameter, you can choose the cup side length and the cup thickness. This is the side length that we are talking about. And we have got here a simple pearl holder. For the same, if I had gone for grooved, you would get a grooving inside it. Alternatively, you can opt for twisted rod. Same pearl holder with a twisted rod in between. You can also play with the number of twists. So I'm just refreshing it, asking for a twisted rod. I can play with the number of twists as well. So if I reduced it to, let's say, 4, see the numbers have changed and accordingly the twist has changed.